Hello again, it's Noob, and I was so excited to see this on eBay. It's an all brass padlock. I collect these, as you may know, and it's even better because it's a branded one. This is a Calor brass padlock, and this would be for Calor gas. So Calor gas, I don't know if it's a UK only thing or it's worldwide, but this is a brand, not a sponsor, of a gas supply. I don't know what you call it. And yeah, this is a really cool padlock. Really like it. Really love branded padlocks, and especially ones which are all brass like this. But it is broken. Now the lock part works, and we're going to have a pick of that. But the shackle part doesn't. And I've given this loads of lock lube. I think it's the pawls. When you do finally unlock this, it drags a little bit and it rubs here. You can see. So something's wrong, I think, at the back of this. The two prongs or whatever is at the back which interact with those two locking pawls, I think that's all broken. It might be the springs are gone, or maybe just through use it's been damaged, or I don't really know what. Now it's still a lovely little padlock, great to have in the collection, but it's a shame that I can't even, it's not really even worth me impressing a key for, sadly, but it's a nice little lock, and every lock deserves to be picked, so let's give it a go. I'm going to go in with a tapered bottom of the keyway turner like this, and get some tension, and just a nice slim short hook. Go right into the back. I think it's a little 5-pinner as well, and pull forward. So yeah, just need to go all to the back. I think pin 5 at the back here, little click. 3 there, a little click. Pin 1 feels okay. Pin 4, and yeah, see, now we're open, but it's very stiff and doesn't want to open any further than that. So yeah, you can pick it. Something's very wrong with it. I wish I could free up these locking pawls, but I can't. And yeah, it's just a bit of a shame. These are absolutely jam solid. There's not even a spring on the pawls at all. So yeah, big shame, but we do have the open. So there you go. But wait, I'm actually filming a week after I filmed the first part of this video, because I actually bought another one of these locks. The seller, turns out, had another one, and this one looks like it is actually in better condition. It doesn't have a key, but it is actually, I think, working. So let's give this one a go. See if we can pick this one in the same way as we did the other one. And yeah, this is cool, because if I can make a key for this, this would be an excellent one for the collection. So going to the back, pin 4, I think, pin 1 at the front here, really high set on this one. Ooh, only sort of 2 pins that need to be actively picked. I think this is, yep. So the shackle is a bit tight, but it works, and it looks like those locking pawls are nice and springy. So yep, that's brilliant. So now I just need to find a blank which fits this small keyway and see if I can actually make a key for it. But that's kind of cool. You can see that I think the shackle's been bent over a little bit, so it's a little bit tight, but I could probably fix that as well. But yeah, just sort of showed that I do have a better version of this now. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. Haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do that for more content like this. You can always smash that notification bell to be next notified when I upload content. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.